And so don't believe everything you read online and in the newspapers, because when you're on there on the ground, you get a completely different feel for what it's like. But when you go and read everything, they're going to tell you this is this or this conflict is happening. But when you're there on the ground, you see a people that welcome people in, that welcome all these new allies, and that want to build the future.
Very soon you'll see a major business delegation from Western camp, English, American. They'll be heading to Syria. They will start investing in Syria, investing in the Syrian people. There's a lot of talented wasted in Syria. This could be a great potential for the entire world. I mean, Syria is a raw country right now. This is what I heard from Foreign Minister Shaybani. He said, Syria is a raw country. It's a best environment to rebuild and restructure. So we need to take opportunity. We need to take this opportunity. And today we're going to see a lot of major events is going to happen where it's transforming the country. And that will be an example for the entire world, how we can prosper.
So this is a modernization effort that can come from players all in the region, from the Emirates, from America, from Britain, and you can rebuild all this potential incredible infrastructure in energy and...
Hey, I know investing in crypto is scary. It takes a real leap of faith because there are so many scams, rug pulls, and bad actors out there. It's a dangerous business, which is why 95% of people lose all their money. Well, that's why I created the London Real Investment Club, so you can access the hottest deals on the planet and use the crypto bull market to create the generational wealth that you deserve. Join my team of over 100 people from around the world that are making millions of dollars behind the scenes investing in blockchain, AI, Web3 games, DeFi, Bitcoin, and more. Don't miss out. Click the link below to book a call with one of my team now. But hurry, this bull market will end soon.
I know investing in crypto can be scary. That's why you gotta join the investment club. Pull the trigger. Let's do this.
Banking and telecommunications. I mean, this is what really Syria needs. It's an incredible opportunity, right, for the people and for governments around the world. And to give it the prosperity that the people want, and then that gets stability, right?
Absolutely. I mean, Saudi Arabia and Crown Prince have contributed a lot. They have helped a lot. I don't know if you've seen when President Trump was in Riyadh with a major audience, and he said, we decided to lift sanction on Syria, and we decided to give them a head start, a new head start. Everyone stood up and everyone was like in tears. And Crown Prince, he did this sign saying thank you. And the following day, you see half of the Syrian taking, making it like a trend. Everyone start taking a picture and saying thank you. I mean, they appreciate the chance they're taking. And this is what I see. President al-Shara, within 6 months, have achieved more steps than any other president that would fulfill this position. It's incredible.
How do the rest of the players in the region feel about it? Qatar and the Emirates and et cetera. Is this something that really interests them as well?
Absolutely, without doubt. That's their biggest interest. Having Syria stable, having Syria out of the Iranian camp, out of these proxies wars. They're so happy. They're investing in it. They're coming saying Syrians are our brothers. We need to help them today. They suffered for too long. They tried in the past. I mean, Assad was shooting striking any chance for the Syrian to thrive. So they're very excited. There's a lot of collaboration coming soon. Saudi Arabia have invested a lot. They facilitated a lot. I mean, even if you look at Saudi Arabia or Qatar or UAE, you see a large Syrian community have achieved tremendous success. So they're happy about it. When they travel to other country or they migrated to other country, they have done a lot of great success, great technology. That's why the leaders of these countries, they want to invest further because they know there's a lot of wasted talent in Syria right now. And one of the great initiatives being created by some of my friends and colleagues, it's called the SYNC, where they going to recruit a lot of Syrian in Syria, Damascus and other cities, to start doing a lot of innovative work and jobs remotely to other companies worldwide. We're going to create a lot of initiative. you're going to see a major transformation happening very soon. And we're acting in a lightning speed here. We're all optimistic and we're all excited.
How do you get out of a rat race? How do you create wealth not only for yourself, but also for the generations to come after?
I am absolutely amazed with the quality of companies that we're getting exposure to.
We go on to Zoom calls with the innovators and the folks who are building new applications in metaverse, blockchain, artificial intelligence, decentralized finance.
What's going on, everybody? Thumbs up if you can see me.
We are focusing on early stage investment.
And the quality of people that we're getting exposure to, whether it be Dan Tapiero with 1RT, Jason Ma from Open, Yatsu from Animoca.
It's been a phenomenal experience thus far. It has far exceeded my expectations.
We are focusing on cutting edge technologies.
I view it now as the best investment I've ever made. The upside I view is unlimited.
And as a retail investor, I would never get this exposure anywhere else outside of Investment Club.
See you in the Investment Club.